Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Roborock F25 ACE Pro Foam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. I've looked through information available across the internet, compared it with other premium wet and dry vacuum mops, and gathered user feedback to help you decide whether this cleaner is worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of its biggest selling points is the advanced foam cleaning system. Instead of simply spraying water, it creates a rich foam that clings to dirt and grease before the roller scrubs everything away. This helps loosen stubborn stains while reducing streaks and watermarks on sealed hard floors like hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. Cleaning performance is equally impressive thanks to its powerful 25,000 pascal suction. Combined with a high-speed roller and downward pressure, it easily picks up wet spills, dry debris, dust, crumbs, and pet hair in a single pass. The anti-tangle roller is another welcome feature, helping reduce hair wrap so maintenance stays simple, especially for homes with pets or long hair. Another standout feature is the 180-degree FlatReach 2.0 design. The vacuum can lie almost completely flat, allowing it to clean underneath beds, couches, cabinets, and other low furniture where traditional upright cleaners struggle. Triple side edge cleaning also helps it reach closer to walls and corners, reducing the need for manual touch-ups. Convenience is a major strength of the F25 ACE Pro. After cleaning, the machine automatically washes its own roller using high-temperature water and then dries it with hot air. This self-cleaning system helps reduce odors, bacteria buildup, and the unpleasant task of washing dirty rollers by hand. The Roborock app adds even more functionality. You can adjust suction power and detergent levels, schedule self-cleaning and drying cycles, receive maintenance reminders, and even activate remote cleaning features. It provides a level of customization that many competing wet vacuums don't offer. Battery life is another highlight. In eco mode, the cleaner can run for up to 60 minutes, making it suitable for cleaning large homes on a single charge. The large clean water tank and separate dirty water container also reduce interruptions during longer cleaning sessions. Of course, there are a few things to consider. Like most premium wet and dry vacuums, it's primarily designed for hard floors and isn't intended to replace a carpet vacuum. It's also heavier than a standard cordless stick vacuum because it carries clean and dirty water tanks. Finally, many of its smart features work best when paired with a mobile app. So, would I recommend buying the Roborock F25 ACE Pro? Yes. If your home has mostly hard flooring and you're looking for a premium all-in-one cleaning solution that vacuums, scrubs, self-cleans, and dries itself automatically, this is one of the strongest options currently available. Its powerful suction, foam cleaning technology, flat-reaching design, and smart automation make everyday floor cleaning significantly easier. If you'd like to check the latest price, click the link below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.